Hello, this is Yarrow again. Take 3 of the ZFM Proto. This particular arrangement has been modified to accept the 3/8 inch thick Neo magnets, N52 grade, much more powerful than the prior 1/4 inch Neos that were N40 grade. Anyway, it was modified and reassembled, and I thought I'd present the results here before going on to the next phase of the testing. Let's crank this up. This right now is running at 12 volts, and the RPM in this instance is approximately 977, just under 1,000, and the firing duration, or the duration of the firing arc, is approximately 65 degrees, which is really equivalent to the past tests that we did. And just a little close-up of the of what it looks like. Anyway, what I'm going to do at this point is to modify it to 24 volt operation. Hold on. All right, let's see what happens here at 24 volts. Just watch the screen there for a moment. Different pattern, much higher amperage than the prior run. It's pushing out about it's nearly 2100 RPM at about 1.80 amps draw. The spikes on the screen are a bit higher. The amp measurement was taken on the battery leads coming out. So this is a vast improvement over the prior setup. Let's just change this now to 36 volt and you'll see a major change in the pattern. Here we go. You can see as it's revving up, the pattern has a fairly complex look to it on the firing. Anyway, right now it's spinning at about 3160 RPM, and the draw on it is about 2.13 amps. Very interesting pattern. Just swing back to what we have here on the motor. Can't really see much, but let's just pull this back here. Okay, so when we increase the firing arc to 75-80 degrees, the test that I did prior to this, at 36 volts, it'll push up, or it'll pump up to about 3,700 RPM and about 2.5 amps. And this is pretty decent. We don't see anything major coming out of this. Let's just see how much torque this has by putting a hand on the wheel shaft. Not a heck of a lot of torque in this particular instance. Anyway, I'll be posting all this information shortly on the forum, and the next test perhaps will play with the timing and show you how the timing impacts the operation and RPM. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays.